Hey Siri, roast battle?
Not this again.
Yo mama is so fat. When she slid into my DMs, my phone ran out of space. Hello?
I'm still thinking of an insult dumb enough for you to understand. Your mama's so fat, not even her ghost could float.
Yo mama's so skinny. She hula hoops with a Cheerio.
Your mama's so fat, Thanos had to clap to make her disappear.
Yo mama's so dumb. She returned a donut because it had a hole in it.
Your mama's so fat, when she got on the scale, it said I need your weight, not your phone number. You're so fat, you don't need to go to the gym. Your legs are strong just by holding you. Your forehead and hairline must be friends because they go way back.
Hey yo, that was too far. Like the video if I won.
No, subscribe if I won.